Hello everybody, this is Raj from Raj Divine Life. Thank you very much for joining us. And today we are going to talk about something very important which has a great impact on our life. And that and those are anger, irritation, stress, depression, tension, and stuff like this. Now, what I really want to talk about is we do have, I believe if I'm not wrong, we do have almost everybody, all of us has this negative impact on our daily life, and we really want to get rid of these things, right? But then and again, we can't. I have seen people, I have often, observed them that they keep themselves engaged with different kind of physical activities, such as yoga, aerobic, Zumba, stuff like that. But then and again, I came across few people where they are actually not happy. As in, they're trying their best so that they can feel happy from inside and they can have a normal life, a positive life, a good life, a happy life. But then again, uh, they are facing that much of negative emotions, feelings, as in they are having that much of problem, like what we have talked about. They have lots of, like tension and botheration and many other things which they face, and they really want to get rid of this thing, but then again they can't. So in this kind of scenario, what one may do? Okay, here I want to say one thing, that is we have designed, event, we may call it a program. It's a signature program where what we do is we teach people, different kind of technique where you can actually, control your anger, not only yours, but of course you can control others also. I mean, you just follow the technique and you will see that you will be able to control others' anger. No matter where the person is, maybe the person is just right now next to you, or maybe that person is maybe far away. So that the distance is not the matter. What really matters is how you apply the technique. So I was telling you, we do have this kind of program where we teach the people how to control anger, and fear, and jealous, and if you're facing the problem like needle displacement or IBS and pain in different part of body and stuff like that, or maybe if you have trauma or something, very negative, if you experience something maybe in past and which you really want to forget, but then again you cannot do so. In that case, in that scenario, what you can do, you can contact us, where as we have mentioned, where we teach a few techniques, and after applying those techniques, you will see a drastic change. As in, you will see, okay, the best part of the technique is you can apply those techniques, not only you, as I have already mentioned, you can apply those techniques on other people as well, and they will even not come to know about this, and you will see the effect and the difference. And these things work instantly. I mean, it will take a few minutes and you will see the difference, and the difference would be great, of course. So this is how we teach people how you can manage, how you can control the situation by your own, with your own power. Many people I have come across, they said that no sir, actually these things are for only those people whom God has given some kind of gift, like some kind of supernatural power. Only those people can do this kind of thing. But let me tell you, God has given us an enormous power. All we need to know is how to handle this power, how to deal with this power. This is how we just make you understand that we live in another world as well. That world is called energy world. We will make you understand how does this world work, how we can actually control not only your negative emotion, but of course the negative emotion of others as well, how you can control the situation. Anyways, that's a different thing together. So that's how we work. First thing. Second thing, now, as I was talking about all these negative emotions, negative impact, negative feelings which people they do have on their everyday life, either they themselves are suffering from this kind of problem, or they have to meet with those kind of people who's having this kind of negative impact. So in both of the cases, we have to suffer a lot, right? here what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the teeth treatment, like as if you are the one who's suffering from this kind of problem, or maybe in your family member, in your relative, maybe your boss, your colleague, your friend, or maybe that person could be anybody. If you are mixing up with that person, as in you have to talk to that person maybe on an everyday basis, or maybe you want that person to get healed, in that case, in that scenario, what you can do is like you can contact us, and we will do the treatment. Now the question is how long it may take to get healed, and the answer would be it depends on the situation, how critical the situation is. As it for example, I mean, if the situation is not that bad, then it may take for about, I mean, it could be a month or so. And if the situation is critical, then it may take 2 to 3 months on an average, I'll say, for almost many cases which we have already done. So it took 2 to 3 months only. So within this a couple of months, you will see a drastic change. You will see that the person will change completely, from negative to positive. If the person is pessimist, you will find him completely optimistic. So this is how we work. And the best part of it, like whenever we do the treatment, all you have to do is just you have to relax while, while the treatment is going on. Just you have to relax. Nothing else you have to do. Yes, apart from this, we may ask you to do certain things so that, you can keep your life optimistic. You can live your life in an optimist way. Throughout your life. I mean, the effect should be permanent, right? That's what the people, they actually want. They always look forward. So you can actually make your life, blissful, peaceful, permanently. But in order to do so, we may ask you to do few things which you may do. Again, it's your choice. You may do to change your life completely. This is how we work. Okay, I'm giving you the guarantee. You will see a great change in that person. Okay, that's how we work. That's what our experiences is like. Since we have came across many people, and we have worked for so long, and this is how we are talking on basis of our experiences. So all you have to do is like you have to contact us, and you have to share your problem. Then we will start the treatment. Of course, these treatment would be the paid treatment. We'll have to pay in advance. First thing. Second thing, all the other rules and regulations you may get on our website, which is www.rajdivinelife.com, and you may call us at our contact number, which is +919088880824. Okay, and if you want to clarify any other things, please feel free to contact us. And apart from this, I want to tell one more thing, and that is like I have come across many people, where they actually talk and they feel as if there is no other way. I mean, this is how they have to live the rest of their life, and living under, many kind of negative impact, living under different kind of problems throughout their life. They have to deal the same way they are dealing today. I would like to say to all those people, it is in your hand whether you want to change it or not. And if you really want to change it, give us an opportunity. We will prove you, we will show you, we will give you that new way through which you can actually transform your life. Okay, this is how we work. Give us an opportunity, as I told you, and you will definitely see the improvement, and the improvement will be great. Okay, thanks for watching us. Thanks for watching this video, and have a beautiful day. Thank you.